Discover the ultimate in eco-friendly adventure with our selection of the best specialized electric bikes. From cutting-edge designs to advanced battery technology, each model offers unmatched versatility and style. Explore our curated collection to find the perfect electric bike tailored to your unique riding needs. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best specialized electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Specialized Diverge STR, ranked as the 5th best among specialized electric bikes, this innovative model revolutionizes gravel biking with its cutting-edge features. Equipped with future shock suspension technology both in the front and rear, the Diverge STR offers unmatched compliance without compromising performance. Suspending the rider instead of the bike enhances control and efficiency, allowing riders to conquer rough terrains with ease and speed while minimizing fatigue. Crafted with a FACT 11R carbon frameset and a blend of SRAM's Rivale and GXA XS components, the Diverge STR Expert ensures swift and precise shifting with a wide gear range. Its Rivale Terra C wheels and 1.6-inch Tracer Pro tires guarantee stability and traction on any adventure. The addition of Adventure Gear alloy handlebars, S-Works carbon seat post, and Power Expert saddle enhance comfort and performance, making it the ultimate gravel biking experience. With Future Shock Rear providing 11 inches of travel, hydraulic damping, and tire clearance up to 11.8 inches on a 700c wheel, the Diverge STR maximizes confidence and fun on every ride. Priced at $5,500. Meet the Specialized Stumpjumper Evo Alloy, a trail bike that defies convention and embraces gnarly terrain with unmatched agility and toughness. It stands as the epitome of performance, earning its place as the number 4 best specialized electric bike. Crafted with the same innovative design as its carbon counterparts, the Stumpjumper Evo Alloy boasts an adjustable head tube angle, 5.9 inches of finely tuned travel, and the convenience of SWAT door integration. This lightweight yet robust M5 alloy chassis empowers riders to conquer trails previously deemed inaccessible without a full-fledged DH rig. The Stumpjumper Evo Elite Alloy is engineered for relentless performance, featuring a SRAM GX Eagle 12-speed drivetrain, sturdy 1.1-inch wide alloy wheels, and RX-tuned Fox Float factory suspension, ensuring no trail is too rugged. But it's not just about travel, it's about precision. Through rigorous kinematic optimization and over 1,000 hours of development, the Stumpjumper Evo delivers enhanced pedaling efficiency and unparalleled agility. Its S-sizing geometry offers 6 adjustable settings, catering to diverse riding preferences, while rider-first engineered frames ensure consistent handling across all sizes, priced at $3,490. Discover the Specialized Epic Evo, ranked as the 3rd best specialized electric bike. It transcends the traditional boundaries of cross-country biking. While it respects the thrill of competition, it also embraces the freedom of exploration. With a subtle increase in suspension travel, meticulously engineered for optimal performance, the Epic Evo seamlessly combines pedaling efficiency with trail-conquering capability, ensuring a faster journey to the finish line, wherever that may be. Crafted with precision, its progressive XC geometry and flip-chip-equipped rear end offer unmatched versatility, allowing riders to tailor their experience to suit any terrain. The lightweight FACT 11M carbon frame, coupled with top-of-the-line SRAM components and RockShox suspension, promises a seamless ride experience. Plus, the flip-chip technology enables riders to fine-tune handling characteristics with ease. For those seeking high performance without breaking the bank, the Epic Evo delivers with SRAM's NX Eagle drivetrain, offering crisp shifting and an impressive gear range. Priced at $2,390, it represents exceptional value for avid bikers looking to elevate their riding experience to new heights. Introducing the Specialized Crux, crowned as the number 2 best among specialized electric bikes, This gravel bike is a testament to innovation and performance. Boasting the title of the lightest gravel bike globally, it offers unparalleled capabilities with its massive tire clearance and optimized gravel geometry. The Crux Expert Edition is equipped with a cutting-edge SRAM Rival E-Tap, AXS hydraulic disc group set, resilient Rivale C-disc wheels, and 27 by 1.4-inch Pathfinder Pro tires, ensuring stability even on the most challenging terrains. At the core of its design are the revolutionary frames weighing only 1.5 pounds for S-Works 12R and 1.8 pounds for 10R frames, thanks to advancements pioneered by the Ethos model. This translates to effortless climbs and smooth rides over rough terrain, all while maintaining a feather-light weight. With a generous tire clearance of 47C650B by 2.1 inch, the Crux extends its versatility, enabling exploration across diverse landscapes with agility and speed. Priced at $49.90, the specialized Crux delivers an unmatched gravel riding experience, blending responsiveness, capability, and lightweight performance into one sleek package. The specialized Levo Comp stands out as the premier choice among electric mountain bikes, epitomizing the culmination of 4 decades of innovation in the pursuit of crafting unparalleled riding experiences. With its turbo full-power 2.2 motor and Mastermind Turbo Connect unit, the Levo seamlessly enhances your riding endeavors, offering 4 times the power and up to 5 hours of trail exploration. This bike defies limitations with its optimized chassis, featuring 5.9 inches of custom-tuned rear suspension and adjustable geometry, ensuring stability and a natural ride unlike any other. Equipped with a SRAM GX NX drivetrain, Fox suspension, and a lightweight alloy wheel set, the Levo promises more climbing, descending, and overall trail enjoyment. Its fully integrated power system delivers an astounding 90 Nm of torque and 565 watts of power, empowering riders to conquer terrain previously thought inaccessible. The Mastermind Turbo Control Unit provides essential ride information and allows for precise power adjustments, while the mixed wheel size design enhances maneuverability and control. Offering 6 geometry settings to cater to various riding styles and terrains, the Levo ensures a personalized riding experience for every individual, with prices starting at $59.90. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.